Promotes digestive health. Fennel is rich in fiber, which helps in preventing constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Rich in nutrients. Fennel is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamins C, potassium, and calcium. It is also rich in antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. Reduces inflammation. Fennel contains anethole, which has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. This can help alleviate conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Helps with weight loss. Fennel is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Freshens breath. Fennel contains compounds that help to freshen breath and improve oral health. Chewing on fennel seeds after a meal can help to reduce bad breath caused by food odor.